How to show mouse cursor on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily show mouse cursor on Android phone. For that, firstly head towards setting, scroll down and go to about device. Then after go to Android version. You can either see the option of build number in Android version or version. Simply click on it. And if you see the option of build number, tap 5 to 6 times to turn on the developer mode. Now, as you can see there's no option of build number, it is because I'm already in developer mode. So go back and go to additional setting on settings. Search for developers option. Now, here in this settings section, you need to search for input section. Under input, you will see the option to toggle on the mouse cursor while recording any video or using your phone. Simply click on show tabs and turn it on. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.